Good morning, good morning, students. These days we are doing the model test paper number 2, and yesterday we have done the section A of MTP, that is your reading section, and today it is the turn of your writing section. And in writing section there are 3 things in your exam, that is your message writing, the second one is your email writing, and the third one is your story writing. So today I have brought the message for you. You see, I shall send you the PDF also. Mr. Kapoor, hello. Sudha, could I speak to Lata? I am her friend Sudha. Mr. Kapoor, Lata isn't at home at the moment. She has gone to the bazaar for shopping. Sudha, what's Lata to you, uncle? Mr. Kapoor, she is my daughter. Sudha, when is she expected back? Mr. Kapoor, within an hour or so. Sudha, could you please tell her on her return that her common friend Chandrika has met with an accident and is admitted to the general hospital. Mr. Kapoor, but I am leaving for the office within 10 minutes, so I won't be able to convey your message personally. However, I shall leave it for her in writing. Sudha, thank you, uncle. So 3 people are here, Mr. Kapoor, Sudha and Lata. So message is for Lata. So father is going to write the message for Lata. Now see message. See the message also I have given for you people so that you can write. On the top you write the message in capitals, then date, time and salutation. Then the body, your friend Sudha rang up to tell you that Chandrika has met with an accident and is admitted to the local general hospital, and downside it is dead. So in this way you can solve the message. The second one is your email writing. In email writing you see, you are Chandni. Compose an email to be sent to a newspaper complaining against the menace of monkeys in your town. So the email is very much from your book. You can see, first of all we have to write the date, then from, to, subject and then sir. Then we have to tell our problem or the body. You can say, I am fully in favor of showing kindness to animals, for they are very useful to man in one way or the other. But I wonder how we should treat them if they prove to be menace. I have monkeys in my mind when I say this. For the past few days, they have proved to be a great nonsense to town XYZ, means any town. No part of house is safe from their invasion. They are clever enough to raid your fridge and eat up anything stored therein. They frighten the people, particularly women and children. Sometimes they bite them and run away. The municipal committee of the town must wake up and take urgent steps to fight this menace. So yours truly, Chandni. So the problem has been forwarded to the person so that they can look into that. And the third one is your story writing. The story is The Hen That Laid Golden Eggs. Today the story I have selected for you. See, the outline is also given, and on the basis of that outline you have to write the story. Once upon a time, a farmer owned a hen that laid golden eggs every day. Everybody envied his good fortune. However, the sight of the golden eggs turned the farmer greedy. How rich I would be if I took out all the eggs at a time, said the farmer to himself. So he stabbed the hen with a knife. But imagine his despair when the poor hen bled to death without yielding him a single egg. When the farmer's wife learned the sad story, she burst into tears. They remained empty-handed. They were very upset. So the moral of the story is, don't be greedy. So students, you write all the 3 things in your notebook and you will send me the PDF of your MTP number 1 to me so that I can check. Okay, so you write all the things in your notebook in your English number 2. So it's bye for today.